Hmm. Not bad. Not really red, but not bad. Yeah. Simple and nice. And she gave me, what's this? Sunscreen. I like it. It's from Korea. I like the Korean product of sunscreen. Even the same name, but it's from Korea. I like it. Some more SPF 50 plus. So I like this. And this is the one. This one. Wait. I need to cut all this. It's like you're seeing in my eyes to check if lipstick and applied correct or not.